Ronie admits his mistake. Ronie loved playing with his ball. He was always bouncing it or throwing it up in the air and catching it. As long as he played out of doors, it was fine. But his mother drew the line about playing indoors. She said he would end up breaking many things placed in the house, including the lights and artifacts. But Ronie would not listen. He played with his ball inside the house as well. And this was especially when his mother was out or busy in the kitchen. What will you expect? Yes, one day his ball bounced on the table, fell on his grandfather's glasses and broke them. Ronie was horrified. His mother was out and his grandfather was taking a nap. He quietly hid his ball and left the broken glasses on the table untouched. His mother returned home, but Ronie was too scared to tell her anything because it was all his fault. After all, when his grandfather woke up and went to get his glasses, he was taken aback to find them broken. Ronie's mother too was shocked. They did not understand how they had broken, as Ronie too feigned ignorance. But now Ronie was beginning to feel very guilty indeed. He realized that he should have listened to his mother and not have played with his ball inside the house. By evening, he was feeling very remorseful indeed. When his grandfather had to cancel his evening walk with his friends, which he really enjoyed, Ronie could not hold back any longer. His guilt was eating him up completely. So he went and admitted that it was his ball that had broken his grandfather's glasses. Naturally, his mother was upset that Ronie had disobeyed her rules about playing inside the house. But his grandfather, on the other hand, smiled and said, "Everyone makes mistakes, but strong people admit them, and wise people do not repeat them. I am proud that you are strong enough to admit your mistake, Ronie. Now, be wise enough not to repeat it too." Ronie promised. His mother hugged him, knowing that he would now keep his promise. Moral: everyone makes mistakes. Only wise people do not repeat them.